Okay, this is such an interesting one for me to do a review. So as you may or may not know, I've moved from New York to Florida here, and I used to love my garden in New York, and it was a very seasonal thing. And one of the things which always excited me, like you get to like March, April, so you want to get going early and you want to use some hydroponics, the sun, to get your early seedlings going, so you're just ready to go the moment the ground is ready for you and you're past any frost. And this is something that I wish I had. I knew they existed, but I guess I was a little lazy, never took advantage of it. But let me show you, this thing is phenomenal for if you want to get your seedlings going early in your house and you live up north. I'm here in Florida now. I just take it outside. It's never an issue. So this is a heat mat. So you can take this, you put it down, you just lay it out like that. You put your seed starting kit right on top of it, and then you plug it in and it simulates that warmth of a nice sunny day, right? Warming the ground, warming the seeds, and it is crazy. And not only is it cool in terms of the way it looks, but it actually tells you approximate days of germination. It gives you how many days it's going to take for all of the different kind of seeds to germinate. For 3 days for lettuce, to 13 days for parsley. I would have thought they would be kind of similar. You guys garden, that's why you're watching this. And how many times do you put your seeds in the ground and you're like, when are they gonna come up? When are they coming up? It actually tells you how long to expect them to come up. This is 10 by 20 inches, so it's a totally reasonable size. You can put it anywhere on a table. You don't have to, like for me, it was always like this semi-disaster like, right? Because you want to put your water in there and you carry your little tray over to put it underneath the window so it gets some sun, and you're spilling and it's a mess. You can now do it wherever you want and just put the tray on this, plug it in, and let it go. This is absolutely, and I wish I had this when I lived in New York rating. This is so cool. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.